What's going on? I'm gonna do a review on this ABN 32-piece master head socket set. Got this on Amazon for $28.99, but today for some reason it's $29.99. I just got this today, and I just got it shipped today, so this is it. It's made in China, so that figures. So it comes with 16 standard and 16 metric. All these are metric. Goes from 2mm to 2.5, 3. I think that's 4. It's 5, 6. No, it's 5.5. This is 5.5mm. And then 6. And then it starts from age 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12. Obviously, you don't get an 11 because you never use that. But they seem pretty sturdy. They seem like they're well made. It uses the S2 type steel, chrome vanadium, whatever. All knows a lot of shit. Uses that like Craftsman stuff. They fucked up though. They gave me two 5.5mm, and I'm missing my 5/64s. So this is standard. It's got the. It would start out with 5/64s, but I don't really want to return this because I need it at work. So I have two 5.5mm, but it's missing the 5/64s. But that's where it would start. Then you got your 3/32, your 1/8, 5/32. .316s, I think. Yep. 316s. This is 7/32. Quarter. And then you got your standard over here. Starts with 9/32. 5/16s. 3/8. 7/16s. Half. 9/16s, 5/8. They just say work all the time. 11/16s and 3/4. And you know, you got your bigger metric set. 14, use that at work. 15, 17, I use this at work. And 19, obviously 19 and 3/4 are about the same, but seem very well made. I mean, I haven't really used them at work yet, but I decided to just buy the whole set because I do use the 14s, 3/4, 5/8, 7. One reason I bought it because it had the 5/64s because I use that, but it doesn't come with this, so I just had to buy that separate. I'm not gonna return it, waste time. Another 2 or 3 days to get this. I work all weekend, so this is quarter inch drive, 3/8 drive, and then the half drives for the bigger set. But so far looks good. I mean, Harbor Freight has a deal where you get like a 13-piece standard and metric. Each set's $14, but you only get like 13 pieces. So 26 total. This has 32 pieces. and it was only $28.99, like, or whatever, 30 bucks a tax. But this is off Amazon. ABN 32-piece Hex Socket set. It's made in China, just like everything else. So, but that's it. It's my review. It's good. Get it. Comes in a nice case.